Satin Skirt are timeless. Also, they have a luxurious shine that instantly elevate an outfit. Whether you are heading to a dinner party, a wedding, or maybe all you want is to feel all classy for a brunch, this piece can be an absolute winner. The only major key will be how you style it. Hello to all my revolutionary sisters out there. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. On this channel where we talk about femininity, girls talk, self-worth, discovery, and life motivation. Today we are diving into one of my favorite wardrobe staple, which is a satin skirt. It is well characterized by being a silk, versatile, and also chic. But the question might be, how do you style a satin skirt using simple styling tips for a truly elegant and refined look? Well, let's jump right in. The first way to elevate your satin skirt, it will be pairing your satin skirt with a white button-down shirt. Taking the shirt in for a more polished silhouette, and also you can also add a belt to define your waist, also adding some neutral pointed toe heels and some identical jewelry for that timeless elegant vibe. This outfit could be perfectly for different occasions such as a work event or any fancy lunch date. Tip number 2, it will be mixing fabrics. For that refined, polished, and well-defined look, pairing a satin skirt with some soft textures such as your wool, cashmere, and tweed. While satin skirts pair beautifully with sweaters or cardigans that let the skirt to shine and instantly add some depth to the outfit without overwhelming your look. And creating a cozy yet refined look, try to opt for neutral tones such as beige, cream, or soft pastel to keep it elegant. This look will be perfect for fall or winter season, also adding some ankle boots and structured handbag to pull the look together. Tip number 3, it will be pairing your outfit with a waistcoat vest. A waistcoat vest is not only just a piece of clothing, but it is a statement, a mood, a canvas for self-expression. It is like stepping into a room exuding an air of effortlessness, chic. That is the power of pairing your crispy waistcoat vest with a silk satin skirt. It instantly gives out an elevated look, bringing a fluidity and a richness that will make you appear more polished and glamorous. In tip number 4, it will be pairing tops. While satin skirts are such a timeless piece and also a very elegant, soft, and perfect for creating a silk silhouette, the major key to styling them lies in balancing textures, proportion, and color with your tops. So when pairing a top with a satin skirt, the tag is crucial. A full tag works best with fitted tops like a turtleneck or a bodysuit. Also, it gives out a silk streamlined look. For that casual vibe, try French tag with looser tops like oversized button down or sweaters and a plain t-shirt in neutral colors. And if you want that soft romantic look, lightly tuck in your blouse for that extra dimension. Tip number 5, it will be accessorizing. So accessorizing plays a major role when it comes to elevating any type of outfit. So opting for subtle pieces like delicate chains, necklace, or pearly earrings, structured handbags in neutral tones. Also not forgetting our belt to accentuate our waist. At tip number 6, it will be pairing with tailored structured blazer. Not only does a tailored and a well-structured blazer bring that tailored polished vibe, but now pairing it with a satin skirt adds a sense of elegant, sophisticated look. The satin skirt adds the taste of flowiness, soft femininity energy. This outfit is compatible for various occasions. Also, it can be worn up or down. For For those classy events, pairing an outfit with a strappy sandals for that elevated and refined elegant look, and also elongating those legs for that polished, classy, and still remaining attractive. Tip number 7, it will be shoe wear. The type of shoe you pick can either make or break your outfit. The shoes are an essential accessory for our feet. They have the major power of refining our overall outfit look. For the Satin Skirt outfit, opt for strappy heels, ankle boots, or white sneakers. These pairs can complete the look depending on the occasion.
Don't you ever give up. Don't you ever give up on you. Don't you ever give up on your dreams, because no matter what, if it is meant for you, it will not miss you. So you must believe in yourself. You must really get up off of the sidelines of your own life and get in there and fight for you. You're the best person out there to put up the good fight for you. And just know, you don't make it at 10, you can make it at 30. You don't make it at 30, you can make it at 50. You don't make it at 50, you can make it at 60 and still give them goodness.
Thank you ladies for staying tuned. I hope this was entertaining and inspiring. My videos are not meant to bash anyone, but they are there to entertain and inspire. Up until the next time, if you like this kind of videos, please don't like to subscribe and comment below. Up until the next time, please stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye bye.